Please join me as I explore Georgetown Reservoir, a beautiful alpine lake nestled in the heart of the Rocky Mountains. On the far backside of the lake, you'll find 2 extra hiking trails. I was very lucky to spot this bald eagle soaring over the lake. The lake is very easy to get to. It's right off the interstate when you get to Georgetown, Colorado. Many people bring their rafts, kayaks, and stand-up paddle boards here to enjoy the beautiful mountain views. This is where the stream comes out of the lake. There's a bridge going over it. There's even a lot of activities in the winter when the lake freezes over, including ice fishing and racing cars. You can catch a lot of rainbow trout and brown trout at this lake. You'll find a lovely hiking path going around the lake. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope you found some value in this beautiful natural environment. Please be sure to click that subscribe button and check the description for some cool links. Thank you. Have a great day.